morning, students. How are you? Today, myself is Pandey, and today your video topic exponent. Dear students, regarding this video, I have best try give the proper understanding regarding the exponent. So there are two or three points. First one point, its definition. What is exponent? Second point, its needs. Why it is compulsory when we solve the numeric problems. And third one point which already I am ready to describe, that will be related formula. So first part, exponent, that is simply in other language can also known as a power. एक्सपोनेंट पावर के नाम से भी सामान्य रूप में जाना जाता है। बच्चों इस पॉइंट पे ध्यान देंगे। ऑलरेडी आई हैव रिटेन हियर 2/5 to the exponent 7. This 2/5 is a base whenever 7 is exponent. Another example we can also write. Suppose we write a to the power b. This part is base and this part is your exponent. Then after second point, means why we require this part, why we need exponent, हमें इसकी आवश्यकता क्यों पड़ी। बेटे ध्यान देंगे, sometimes we come across a larger repeated number. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि कोई सेम डिजिट्स होते हैं, सेम नंबर होते हैं जो so many times are repeated, कई बार रिपीट होते हैं, तो उसे हम शॉर्ट आउट करने के लिए एक्सपोनेंट का सहारा लेते हैं। सपोज 2 is repeated in 9 times, 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 on this way, so on. Then shortly I can write 2 to the power n, 2 to the exponent n. So we need exponent. Another things, its related formula. Your first formula is a by b to the exponent m, a by b to the exponent n. I mean कहने का मतलब है कि अगर बेस, so your first formula is a by b to the exponent m and product with a to the by b to the exponent m. When we are sorted this, जब इसको हम शॉर्टर करेंगे तो a single base has been retained along with their exponent will be added. Again one repeating, अगर बेस सेम हो बच्चे, बेटा अगर बेस सेम हो और एक्सपोनेंट डिफरेंट हो तो हम एक सिंगल बेस के साथ एक्सपोनेंट को इंक्लूड करके एक्सप्रेस करते हैं। जस्ट सिमिलर, here 3 bases are given, a by b to the exponent m, a by b to the exponent n, multiply a by b to the exponent p. तो इसमें आप हमने क्या शॉर्ट आउट किया, for all these 3 bases use only single and added all these exponent. हमने क्या किया बेटा कि तीनों बेस के बदले में एक बेस का इस्तेमाल किया और सारे एक्सपोनेंट को मैंने ऐड कर दिया। For example, here is given a number 4/5 whose exponent is 5 and multiply 4/5 to the exponent 7 will be equal to same base 4/5 and exponent 5 and minus 7 are added, and so this will be plus minus minus 5 minus 7 means minus 2, 4 to the exponent minus 2. Second formula, अगर बेस सेम हो और ए मल्टीप्लाई ना होकर के अगर डिवीजन की बात हो, देन व्हाट विल बी, मीन इफ बेसेस आर सेम विथ डिफरेंट एक्सपोनेंट एंड एडेड विथ डिवीजन, अगर सेम बेस वाले दो इंटीजर्स हों जिसके एक्सपोनेंट डिफरेंट हो और दोनों डिवीजन से इंक्लूड किया गया हो, तो सेम बेस के साथ एक्सपोनेंट सब्ट्रैक्ट कर जाता है। जस्ट लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल 4/5 टू द एक्सपोनेंट 5 डिवाइड 4/5 टू द एक्सपोनेंट 7 इक्वल टू 4/5 to the exponent 5 minus 7 minus plus 5 plus 7. So this conclusion we get 4/5 to the exponent 12. Next formula, third. Sometimes we are observing this on the same base there are different more than 2 or 3 exponents, just like a by b to the power m to the power n to the power p. Then what we have done? तो इस केसेस में क्या करेंगे? इसमें आपने क्या ऑब्जर्व किया बेटा? एक बेस है a by b जिसपे m n p 3 डिफरेंस एक्सपोनेंट्स है। तो what we have done for that? All these exponents are multiplied together, mean a by b to the exponent m n t. Just example, suppose given 4/5 to the exponent m to the exponent 2 to the exponent 3 to the exponent 4 in this way. So what will be its conclusion? What will be simplification? So it will be 4/5 to the exponent 2 multiply 3 multiply 4. So this will be 4/5 to the exponent 3 2 ja 6, 4 ja 24. Then next one. For next part we are come for if in some cases we are passing through that our exponents are same but bases are different, just like a by b to the exponent m multiply c by d to the exponent n in this way. When I observing here carefully, we observe that in both bases are different but exponents are same. Its exponent is m, it's also m. तो क्या करेंगे बेटा? Then we have to done a by b to the exponent, sorry, a by b multiply c by d to the exponent m, means we using single exponent and multiplied its basis. क्या होता है? अगर सेम एक्सपोनेंट हो तो बेसिस को मल्टीप्लाई करके और एक ही एक्सपोनेंट का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. नेक्स्ट, इनवर्स रिलेशनशिप रिगार्डिंग द एक्सपोनेंट, just like a by b to the exponent -1. Its example also observing, suppose 4/5 to the exponent 3, then 5/4 to the exponent 3. What will be? 4/5 multiply 5/4 to the exponent 3, these are cancelled, means 1 to the exponent 3 and this will be 1 for its example. Next, the inverse relationship regarding the base to exponent. Next टॉपिक मेरा है कि एक एक्सपोनेंट का एक इनवर्स रिलेशनशिप में क्या ऑब्जर्विंग होगा. जस्ट लाइक हियर गिवन a by b to the exponent -1, that is called inverse relationship between base to exponent. then this will be reciprocal inverse b by a to the exponent 1 means this will be can written as b by a. इसे इस प्रकार से एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं. Also suppose given a by b to the exponent minus 5, then what will be? Again this will be inverse b by a, and then this negative exponent will be reversed, means this will be minus 5 to plus 5. For example, you can say suppose 4 by 5 to the exponent given minus 2. So this will be 5 by 4. Then this negative will be changed as positive and became 25 by 16. In this way we are observing all these formula. In my best practicing with the help of this video, try to give the proper understanding regarding the exponent and base, and I hope if each and every points you observe seriously, certainly you will be benefited. Once more formula I am using here, that is very fantastic, very interested. That formula is a by b to the exponent 0 will be 1. Here also the rising the question, how is possible? But possible, how can sir? Just like, for example, I am given 4 by 5. How we can say 4 by 5 to the exponent 0 equal to 1? Observe here not. 4 by 5, we have to express exponent is 0. So can we write 3 minus 3? It is not compulsory only you are using 3 minus 3. You can write another also. Just like 5 minus 5, 7 minus 7, a minus a, b minus b, any. Then what will be? This come just like now we are using the formula here. One formula already I have to told, a by b to the exponent m divide a by b to the exponent n equal to a by b to the exponent a minus n. बेटा here this part is given, इसमें a part दिया गया है, तो क्या इस part से हम return back इस part पे नहीं आ सकते? Mean here is given 4 by 5 to the exponent 3 minus 3, just similar. Then we can come back on this part और इस प्रकार से हम इसे लिख सकते हैं 4 by 5 to the exponent 3 divide 4 by 5 to exponent 3. In this way both parts will be cancelled and your result will be 1. This verifies that with any integers your exponent is 0, their value will be 1. Again I am repeating, on any integers if exponent will be 0, their value will be 1. In this way today already I have gone at the position of concluding, and so I suggested you, dear students, you observe this video carefully. Its every steps are so important, and if you properly study these all points, certainly when you solve the exercise chapter 3rd power, you will be proper benefited. Thank you. Have a nice day.